Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. So today I will tweet you how to make a shortcut key for border cell. Shortcut key of border cell in Excel. Suppose this is the Excel cells. So I want to select this some cell and press Alt button. You will see the shortcuts of tab. Now go to the home page, press H button, and you will see this is a bottom tool and this is all border tool. So again I'm select all cell, alter button, H button for home tab, and B tool for using the borders, and this is A, and press A button. Now you see these all cell is already borders done it.